acquisition of property, land, and equipment. Land cost. To build a new shop, usually the cost of land is included. 1. Purchase price. 2. Closing costs such as land rent, attorney fees, and registration fees. 3. Costs incurred in obtaining land according to specific conditions such as grading, filling, treeing, and cleaning. 4. Accepting a lien mortgage or property foreclosure. 5. Additional land improvement which has no age limit. Building costs. Building costs must include all costs direct related to the acquisition or construction. These fees consist of 1. Material, labor, and overhead costs insured during construction. 2. Professional fees and building permit. Equipment costs. The cost of this asset is included. 1. The purchase price. 2. Shipping and handling charges. 3. Equipment insurance during the trip. 4. Special foundation fees is required. 5. Assembly and installation costs. 6. The cost of conducting the trial. Self-built asset. Companies can handle overhead in one of two ways. 1. Direct material costs and labor costs. 2. Loading the BOP part during the construction process. Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Putri Aulia Dewi. My student number is 2019310113. I will presentation about fixed asset. The main characteristic of the property, plant, and equipment. 1. They are obtained for use in operation and not for resale. Only assets used in normal business operation are classified as property, plant, and equipment. 2. They are long-term and usually describable. The company allocated the cost of investing in this asset to future periods through periodic depreciation charges. 3. They have physical substance. Property, plant, and equipment are tangible assets characterized by their physical extent or substance.
Thanks for the opportunity. Let's introduce myself. My name is Cynthia Devi Ramawati and my student number is 435. Now, I will explain about discuss the accounting problems associated with interest capitalization. That the purpose of the capitalizing interest cost is to obtain a cost figure that reflects the total investment of the business entity in asset. The interest function is to charge a fee relating to the acquisition of an economic resource that will provide benefits in the future. To be compared with the income generated by these benefits, the aim is to ensure that there are appropriate comparisons, especially if the construction time or acquisition period is long enough. However, capitalization of interest cost is only met when the benefit of information exceeds the cost of providing information. Administrative costs for capitalizing interest. Interest expense need to be capitalized. 1. Reason for capitalization of interest expense as follows. And 2. Reason for the rejection of interest cost capitalization.
Okay, let's see the opportunity. My name is Andrea Satitiandayani. My student number is 438. So, I will explain the accounting issue related to acquiring and valuing plant assets. Number 1. Valuation of property, plant, and equipment. Companies should record property, plant, and equipment is at the fair value of what they give up, or at the fair value of the cash received, whichever is more early evident. 2. Valuation of PP&A. A. Cash discount. Discount of prompt payment. B. Different payment contract. Asset purchased on long-term credit contract at the present value of the consideration exchange. C. Lump sum purchase. Allocated the total cost among the various assets on the basis of their relative fair market value. D. Issuance of stock. The market price of the stock issued is a fair indication of the cost of the property acquired. 3. Valuation of PP&A exchange non-monetary asset. Ordinarily accounted for on the basis of A. The fair value of the asset given, or the fair value of the basic received, whichever is currently more evident. Companies should recognize immediately and gains or loss on the exchange when the transaction has commercial substance. D. Summary of gain and loss recognition. A. Compute the total gain or loss on the transaction. This amount is equal to the difference between the fair value of the asset give up and the book value of the asset give up. B. If a loss computed in step 1, always recognize the entire loss. C. If gain is computed in step 1 and the change has commercial substance, recognize the entire gain and the exchange lost commercial substance. Okay, thank you.
Thanks the opportunity. My name is Trinur Sama. My study number is 441. I will explain about describe the accounting treatment for costs subsequent to acquisition. The financial accounting treat costs subsequent to acquisition refers to additional expenditure associated with property, plant, and equipment. In general, companies make 4 types of investment in existing assets: additional to plant, improvement, restoration, and repair. To capitalize costs associated with existing property, plant, and equipment, one of the following 3 conditional accounting practices categories new investment in existing assets in one of 4 ways. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Nur Rahma. My study number 2019-310-442. I'm from class 8. I want to describe the accounting treatment for the disposal of property, plant, and equipment. Sale of plant assets. Companies record depreciation for the period of time between the date of the last depreciation entry and the date of sale. Number 2. Inventory conversion. Sometimes an asset service is terminated through some type of inventory conversion, such as fire, flood, theft, or condemnation. Companies report the difference between the amount received, e.g., from a condemnation award or insurance recovery, if any, and the assets book value as a gain or loss. 3. Learning object review. A. Identify property, plant, and equipment and its related costs. B. Discuss the accounting problem associated with interest capitalization, only actual interest, which modification should be capitalized. C. Explain accounting issues related to acquiring and valuing planned assets. Thank you.